Teleflex Medical is a global provider of medical devices which we look to enhance the quality of our patients' lives.
Part of our vision at Teleflex would be innovation, and working with companies who are like-minded would be very important to us, and we feel that Xeretec definitely are the ideal partner for that.
Working with Xeretec and partnering with them has shown us that the products and the services that they afford to us are very innovative. Xeretec themselves are at the cutting edge of a lot of this technology, and we're delighted to partner with Xeretec. In 2012, we had 90 people in our offices in Athlone. We had upwards on 20 printers, but we reduced that footprint to 7. Now take it to 2018, while our people count has gone up by a factor of 350%, we still only have around 12 printers.
I've worked with Xeretec since 2012 and the relationship has been really, really good. The Xeretec helpdesk function is really important to us. We obviously do not want any of our printers down at any stage, so we know that support is only a phone call or an email away.
We find them very, very helpful. They're very efficient and fast with response times, and usually have a solution, or if not, they can escalate it fairly quickly.
We've also the option of working directly with the account manager when required, and if we have any critical issues, we know that there's somebody to go to immediately.
Every company is acutely aware of their responsibilities now surrounding GDPR, so having the Follow Me print, its excellent timing is perfect for us in terms of that. There's no risk of breaching of confidentiality, and there's not going to be documents sitting on the printer that potentially has confidential information on it. Only the user who comes up uses their card and takes away their documents.
I think the benefit of having one card is their access badge gets them into the building, and it also doubles up as their security for getting their print jobs.
With it, we find there's a lot less footprint of print outages. We find that there's an awful lot less paper wasted, and we find overall that there's a serious cost saving within the company.
The new solution has really benefited our team because the amount of service incidents and calls that we get to our service desk has reduced greatly. The printing fleet itself, in my mind, is very much self-sufficient. We don't have to worry about consumables because that's handled with Xeretec.
The feedback on the new machines has been excellent, and the interface is very user-friendly and more in line with what we're used to using now with apps and phones. It ties in very well with that.
We find the Xerox brand really, really good. We find the support side of it from Xeretec really good also, but the Xerox machines themselves, from a functionality point of view, we find them really reliable, and we've had very, very little issues with them overall over a number of years.
So while we deal with a very global brand in Xerox, the partnership we have with Xeretec is very localized, and we feel it's very personalized as well. And that's one of the great benefits in a partnership, I feel, that we have someone always on hand to deal with our queries and our questions, but also to prompt us when there's new technologies coming out as well. So really for me, it's more than just a partnership. We touch base every quarter with our quarterly review. We make sure that we're adjusting our printer fleet as we see fit, and the team are very much part of that and offer us a great service in terms of that.
So relationships are very important to us at Teleflex. One of our core values is building trust, and we feel we've really built that trust with Xeretec, and we hope to build further on it in the future.